Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 5, and in this video I will show you how to toggle BIOS self-healing feature on this laptop. To do this, first open BIOS menu by powering on your laptop by pressing the power button once, and then repeatedly press the F2 key in order to enter the BIOS menu. Once you see the BIOS menu, you can stop clicking the F2 button. At this point, select Configuration tab and then scroll all the way down the menu until you see the BIOS self-healing option. To change the value, expand this list and select Disabled. You've seen the warning, so be careful with this feature. Now, once to apply changes, press F10 and then press Enter to confirm. And then, if you want to exit this menu with discarding changes, then press Escape and then press No if you are asked. So, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.